Really?
License in the back.
Yeah.
Hello?
Guess who I just pulled over?
Who?
Yarborough.
Really?
Yeah, the chief deputy driving a souped up Dodge Charger belongs to the sheriff's office. I just clocked this at 96 in a 35.
I mean, why is he speeding?
No reason. He's in an unmarked car. He just got a high horsepower car and decided he wanted to play.
It's your traffic stop. You do what you think you should do. I'm not telling you one way or the other. You do a 96 and a 35.
Okay. Well, you know I don't care for him, so I'm gonna ride his. Sir, here's your ID back. This is your copy of the citation. If you would sign right here. It's got a court date, time it's must appear.
Yes, sir.
Please slow down and have a safe day.
Yes, sir.